Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be learning proving identities. So there are two basic formulas. First one is cos square theta plus sine square theta equals to 1, and by this formula we can derive the formula for cos square theta, which is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and for sine square theta it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And our second basic formula is tan theta equals sine theta by cos theta. So by this we can derive for sine theta, which is equal to tan theta times cos theta, and cos theta equals sine theta by tan theta. So keeping these two formulas in mind, we will solve all the questions for AS level. So let's take few simple examples like tan theta plus cos theta by sine theta equals to 1 by sine theta times cos theta. So first thing we'll look at it is we'll take the LHS and RHS, the right hand side and left hand side, and we see that left hand side is more complicated than the right hand side. So we'll take this and simplify it further. So we know that tan theta, we can write it as sine theta by cos theta using this identity. So we can write sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta equals to 1 by cos theta times sine theta. Now we can cross multiply this. So it gives us sine square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta times sine theta. Now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 using the first formula identity. So we can write it as 1 by cos theta times sine theta. Now we have proved this equation, LHS equals to RHS over here now. So let us take one more example. So we can take sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta, and this is equals to 2. Now we can see that the left hand side is more complicated. So let us simplify it further. So we can write this as sine square theta minus 2 cos square theta and minus cos square theta plus 1 by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now what minus cos square plus 1, which is 1 minus cos square, which is equal to sine square using this formula. So we can write it as sine square theta minus 2 cos square theta plus sine square theta by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now we can write this as 2 sine square theta minus 2 cos square theta by sine square theta minus cos square theta. So now we can take 2 common over here. So it will be sine square theta minus cos square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. So we can simply cancel this out as it is multiplying both the sides. So which is equal to 2. Now we have proved LHS equals to RHS. So these were example for easy ones. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you got all the concepts, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading more videos. So stay tuned. Bye.